Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Fame Frequency on Saturday night was the ultimate ladies' night in. Themed Girls Code, the broadcast event was hosted by Debbie Bissoon and saw media personalities from the RGR Galena Communications Group, Talia Suarez, Paula and Porter Jones, and Jenny showcasing their mixing skills with Paula Ann on a turntable.
No, you can pick and choose, refuse and abuse, and you don't feel no way about that. So what? You're born good looking, you get God blessing. No man, you be muggle and sing.
This was so much fun. It was a pleasure working out with the girls.
You came in your only to celebrate.
Nothing can flop with showing a lie.
Yeah.
Not even Corona.
That's right.
Yeah.
Talia, Rastafari, I feel security. So tell them.
You know, so we get the fame. We give them it in only one spot, and that's the media. TVJ. Hashtag frequency, what's the deal? Girls code forget things and not just so me feel.
Fame Frequency was declared the first virtual entertainment zone and has attracted up to 2 million viewers since it started. Girls Code. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.